Imagine you like a girl. You put in the effort to get her attention, but in the end, you find yourself as just an option while she chases another guy. Why does this happen? What is the secret that makes some men effortlessly attract women? Today, I'm going to reveal some unusual psychological tricks that make any woman instantly drawn to you without needing to chase or impress her. Most men believe that being overly nice and constantly giving compliments is the key to attraction, but the truth is the opposite. Women are not attracted to weakness. When you're too available and eager to please, you unconsciously signal that you are not worth the chase. The solution? Power and silence. The man who doesn't reveal everything about himself instantly creates curiosity and mystery, which naturally draws women in. The first trick is to be mysterious and intriguing. Don't spill all your secrets at once. Let her work to uncover more about you. The second trick is to take control of the conversation. Instead of always trying to please others, lead the interaction with confidence. The third trick is to use the principle of scarcity. If you are too available, you become less desirable. Make her feel that your time is valuable and that she has to earn your attention. The fourth trick is to create competition. Never focus on just one woman. Show that you have options, and she will naturally put in more effort to stand out. And finally, the power of subtle touches. If the situation allows, small, unexpected physical contact can build strong emotional connections and increase attraction instantly. Subscribe to Enigma Thought and be part of the journey.